voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Chinese smartphone maker OPPO confirmed last week that its next flagship smartphone will debut at an event in China on October 10th. The company has now released a new teaser that gives us our first clear look at the design of the upcoming Reno Ace. The latest Reno Ace teaser posted on Weibo and images on /leaks reveals the upcoming OPPO flagship will have a water drop-shaped cutout at the top of the display, instead of the shark fin pop-up camera seen on the Reno 10X Zoom and Reno 2. On the back of the phone is a quad camera setup, featuring a 48-megapixel primary sensor. The promo image that was published by OPPO on Weibo shows the front and back of the phone, while stating some of its key features such as 65-watt fast charging, a Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC and a 90Hz display. The high refresh rate display and fast charging were already talked about before, but this is the first confirmation we have about the processor. The image also shows off the two colors that the phones will come in. The front display appears to have slim bezels with a dewdrop notch on the top, and a relatively thin chin at the bottom. At the back, we have a quad camera setup, laid out in the center of the phone. The Reno Ace also appears to have a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone socket at the bottom. The device is paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of built-in storage. As per the smartphone's listing on the Tenno website, Reno Ace will have a 6.5-inch sized panel with full HD Plus resolution. The Reno Ace will have a 4000 mAh battery, and it will be fully charged in under 30 minutes. That's it for this video, guys. If you are a tech lover, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because I will be uploading tech-related leaks. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.